Good morning. I warmly welcome you to the financial accounting class. Today's class we are discussing about the types of accounting error. Accounting errors are mainly classified into two types: errors which do not affect the trial balance, errors which affect the trial balance. First one, the errors which do not affect the trial balance. In this, following errors comes under the errors which do not affect the trial balance: errors of omission, errors of principal, errors of recording to a wrong account, errors committed at the time of recording in the primary books, that is errors of commission, compensatory errors. Then second type, errors which affect the trial balance. In this, errors regarding posting, errors regarding balance of an account, errors in totaling and subsidiary books, errors committed at the time of preparing the trial balance. First, we can see about the error which do not affect the trial balance. First, error of omission. When a transaction is totally omitted to be recorded in the journal or subsidiary books or the ledger, such an error is known as an error of omission. For example, 4,000 received from Bhavana is left unrecorded. By writing correct journal entry for this transaction, the above error will be rectified. That is, cash account debtor to Bhavana's account, rupees 4,000. Then errors of principle. When an error arises because of non-compliance of accounting principles, it is known as an error of principle. For example, 5,000 worth furniture purchased debited to purchase account. Here, purchase of furniture should be debited to furniture account. Purchase account is wrongly debited by 5,000. To nullify this effect, purchase account should be credited by 5,000 and furniture account is debited by rupees 5,000. As rectification entry will be made. The entry is furniture account debtor to purchase account, amount rupees 5,000. The third type of error is error of recording a wrong account. In such type of an error, journal entry is written correctly, but while posting, instead of giving the effect to the correct account, by mistake the effect is given to some other account. Thus, by debiting or crediting a wrong account with correct amount on the correct side, the trial balance remains unaffected. For example, rupees 1,500 received from Susmita is credited to Asmita's account. Here, at the time of posting, instead of Susmita's account, Asmita's account is wrongly credited. To cancel the wrong effect, debit Asmita's account and give the correct effect, credit Susmita's account. Thus, the error will be rectified. For example, Asmita's account debtor to Susmita's account 1,500. Then the fourth type of error is errors of commission. Errors of commission comes under the transactions recorded in correct book with less amount, transactions recorded in correct book with more amount, transaction recorded in wrong subsidiary books, transaction recorded in wrong subsidiary books with wrong amount. The transactions recorded in correct book with less amount. For example, goods of rupees 1,550 sold to Sujata is recorded by mistake rupees 1,050. In this transaction, the effect is given less rupees 500. To rectify this error, write correct entry with the amount of difference. Sujata's account debtor to sales account rupees 500. Then second one, transaction recorded in correct book with more amount. In this case, original entry will be reversed with the amount of difference. For example, goods of rupees 1,500 purchased from Mayuri Silk by mistake as rupees 1,550, and here as the entry is passed with more than the correct amount. To rectify error, reverse entry will be passed with the meaning of difference rupees 50. Entry is Mayuri's account debtor to purchase account rupees 500. The transactions recorded in the wrong subsidiary books In this type of error, instead of recording the transactions in the correct subsidiary books, it is recorded in other subsidiary books. For example, goods of rupees 900 purchased from Akhil is recorded in sales book. Here, to remove the effect of a transaction wrongly recorded in sales book, reverse entry will be passed as under. Entry is sales account debtors, purchase account debtor to Akhil's account 1800. The fourth one is transaction recorded in wrong subsidiary book with wrong amount. For example, goods of rupees 900 purchased from Akhil is wrongly recorded in sales book rupees 90. To nullify the effect given in the sales book, reverse the entry rupees 90 and give the correct entry for purchase is rupees 900. For example, the journal entry is sales account debtor, purchase account debtor to Akhil account. Amount 990. Then the fifth one is compensatory errors. In the books of accounts where more than one entry exists but because of their nullifying the effect on debit and credit sides, trail balance tally, such errors are known as compensatory errors. For example, total of purchase book is overcost by rupees 500 and receipt of rupees 500 from Vanita is posted to her account rupees 1000. For journal entry is Vanita's account debtor to purchase account rupees 500. Then the second type of error is error which affect the trial balance. First one is error regarding posting. Omission of posting, the posting twice in an account, the posting of a wrong amount in an account, posting an account on the wrong side, posting a wrong amount on a wrong side of an account. First, omission of posting. While posting the transaction recorded in journal or subsidiary books, posting is omitted in any account by mistake. It is known as an error of omission of posting, and in this case the trial balance does not tally. For example, goods of rupees 6000 purchased from the Darshan is correctly recorded in the purchase book, but posting in Darshan account is omitted. This error will be rectified by posting the amount on the credit side of Darshan's account. Then the second one is posting twice in an account. Out of the two accounts affected, if in any one account posting is done on the correct side but twice by an error, the trial balance will not tally. For example, goods of rupees 1000 sold to Sandoz is recorded correctly in the sales book, but by mistake it is posted twice in the account of Sandoz. This error will be rectified by giving opposite effect in the account which is posted twice by the amount of a transaction. Thus, by writing rupees 7000 on the credit side of Sandoz account and the column of particular by being an amount wrongly posted twice, the error will be rectified. Then the third one is posting of a wrong amount in an account. While posting from the primary books, if a wrong amount is posted in an account, the trial balance does not tally. For example, rupees 500 received from Darun is posted in his account rupees 50. In this case, by writing the deficit figure of rupees 450 in Darun's account on the credit side and in the columns of the particulars by using an amount by being an amount less credited to the error will be rectified. When the account is posted by more amount, the error is rectified by writing the amount of the difference on the opposite side. For example, rupees 1300 paid for salary is posted as rupees 3100 in salary account. Here the error will be rectified by writing rupees 1800 in salary account on the credit side in the column of particulars by being excess amount posted. Next, fourth one, posting in an account on the wrong side. While posting from the primary books, if the amount is posted on the wrong side, the trial balance does not tally. For example, 800 discount received is debited in discount account. This error will be rectified by writing double the amount on the correct side. Therefore, in discount received account by writing rupees 1600 on the credit side of and in the column of particulars by an amount posted or wrong side, the error will be rectified. Then the fifth one is posting wrong amount on wrong side of an account. In this case, posting is done in an account on the wrong side and that to a wrong amount. For example, 2500 received from a Palak is written correctly in the cash book, but by mistake it is written on the debit side of Palak's account rupees 500. Here the error will be Palak's account will be rectified by writing on the credit side an amount equal to the sum of wrong amount plus the correct amount, that is rupees 3000, and in the column of particulars by posting a wrong amount in the wrong columns, wrong side. Then the error regarding balance of an account. This error in finding out the balance of account, error of an account is written on the wrong side. The balance of an account is omitted to be recorded. The error in writing the balance of an account is written on the wrong side with the wrong amount. The error in finding out the balance of an account. If the balance of any account is found either more or less, the trial balance does not tally. If the calculated balance is less, put the deficit amount on the correct side to rectify the error. Then the second one is error in writing the balance of an account. In this case, the balance is calculated correctly, but when it is brought forward, it is written with the wrong amount and therefore the trial balance does not tally. The balance, third one is the balance of an account is omitted to be recorded. If the opening balance of any account remains unrecorded, that balance does not tally. Then fourth one is balance of an account is written on the wrong side. By mistake, if balance of any account is written on the opposite side, the trial balance does not tally. The fifth one is balance of an account is written on the right side of a wrong account. For example, wrong side with the wrong amount. The trial balance does not tally if the balance of any account is written on the wrong side with the wrong amount. Then the errors in totaling the subsidiary books. The trial balance does not tally if an error is committed while totaling subsidiary books like purchases book, sales book, goods return book, cash book, etc. This error will be rectified by writing a necessary note in that respective account. A journal entry is not necessary to rectify this type of error. Then the last one is error committed while preparing trial balance. While preparing the trial balance, there remains a possibility of errors like errors in totaling of the trial balance. Balance of an account is omitted to be recorded. In recorded twice, a recorded with wrong amount is recorded on the wrong side or is recorded on wrong side with the wrong amount. Then suspense account. When the trial balance does not tally because of some accounting errors and it requires more time to prepare final accounts, but after reduction and rectification such errors, but there is an urgency for preparing final accounts, temporarily the difference in the trial balance is transferred to one account in order to get it tallied, and that account is known as suspense account. Okay students, thank you.